Hello everyone. Recently there are a lot of users report that the remote control storage space are almost full and don't know the solutions. Which files can be cleared? Which files cannot be cleaned up? The next video will tell you. First of all, we can click the remote control settings, slide down and select Storage, enter and select Internal Shared Storage, then slide down and select Browse. Black box folder. It stores the black box data exported by ourselves. If you don't use it, you can delete it directly. In the Topxgun folder, select the data center folder and then select the backup folder in the offline file folder. It stores the flight data related content. Just make sure that all the data is uploaded in Agriculture Assistant app. Select any folder and then click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner. Select all and then click on the delete icon. Download folder. Inside the storage of our online download of some files, you can open the folder to delete the files inside the folder. Other installers in the root directory can also be deleted to free up storage space. To free up the internal storage space of the remote control, do the same as above. That's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe us to unlock more crop protection skills.